So this is what's going on with my van. I push in the brake like this, and then nothing. You can't move it at all. You cannot shift it, nothing at all. So what I found out is that it was this little bugger right here. That would be your stop light switch. If this fails, you won't change it into park or out of park, excuse me, and you can't see any brake lights. So I already bought a new one, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that out. So when you first come down here to get the knee plate off, which would be this big plate right there, there's two screws that you need to take out. I've already taken them out. Be right there and right there. Those would be a 5/16 head screw. And once you've taken those out, you can just take your fingers right inside of here and just pull. Because you got a little pin right there and right here and one right here. Just about. You just kind of pull that out. There's a few more, but anyway, from there, you just pull these. These can swing, it's fine. There's one here, and one here. Those are all the same size. They're all 5/16. So sometimes you'll have it come off just like that. That's okay. Every once in a while it happens. It's easy to put it back on. I'll show you how. You got this little plastic piece right here. You just slide this on with the big spot on the left. Make sure this is probably about a 1 o'clock position, just like so. Compress the brake paddle. Goes right on. Make it so it goes 12 o'clock. Should go right in. Come on. Get in there. Sometimes it's a little tricky, but it should just go right in. Oh, sometimes you just gotta compress the brake pedal just a tad. And there it goes. It's right inside. Then pull it over. Grab your new one. Make sure it's facing with this opening to the left side and facing up. Now, what you want to do is put this inside this little crevice right in here, in this little space. And then you just push it up. And then once you push it up, you might need to jiggle a little bit. Jiggle the brake. And then put your cotter pin back in. Usually you can do it just by hand. Just like so. Plug it in and then try it out. Alright, now we just replaced all that. Let's try this out. I'll compress the brake and put it in neutral. Alright, put it in drive. That worked. Alright, try it again. Compress the brake, pull it in drive.